Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-39A, the boil injector steam valve body for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's start building part 3-39A, the boil injector steam valve body. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS. This looks very similar to what we just done before, but I think there is differences. So let's go to front plane, sketch, circle. Now, I'm not going to put any holes in this like the last time. That's going to be, where are we? 16. And that's going to be a length of 21. I'm not going to worry about mid-plane. On the end of that one, let's normalize it. Sketch. We got hexagonal. Well, hexagon, sorry. I said hexagonal last time. That's going to be 19. It's going to be a extrude of 5. And then on that face of the hexagon, I keep saying the wrong one, I don't know what I do. It's just normalized, I don't have to, but I'm going to do this time. Click outside and highlight everything, and we want circle in the middle. That's going to be 10 mil. That's going to extrude out by 8. And that's there done for now. I'm going to put a fillet on here of, let's try 2.9, see what that does. Yep, looks good, 2.9. That side's flat. Now we go to top or right, doesn't really matter. I'm going to go to top plane, sketch, actually cancel that, normalize it first, sorry, sketch. Now this actually points down, but it points up, you always move it around later on, so it's no big deal. So it went right, no big deal. Not smart, circle. And this is going to be 12. 12 mil. Go to dimensions, click that point and that point, hold down control and vehicle, and that's going to be 13 from this end. 13 to the end of middle of the circle. There we go. Beautiful. One thing I just realized I missed doing. Let's go back to, not that one, that one. Oh, let's go out of exit first. Let me normalize it. There we go. Now, let me extrude that. I'm not extrude that, edit that one. That line there. Nope. Let's do this point here and this center point as. Oh, hold on. No, sorry, not that one. My apologies. The sketch we want, not extrude. Sorry, my apologies. This point here and this point here will be horizontal. Okay. And exit out. There we go. Because this circle here is going to be level with flat, so shrink that one down. Let's go back to this sketch. Normalize. And oop. This is 13 mils from the top of this circle up, but this circle is in the middle of this, so it's 16 wide, so it's going to be 18, 19, 20, 21. So you want 13 plus half 16. So it's, not smart to mention. Extrude. Hold on. Get that one. Extrude. There we go. Exit out, which kind of threw me. So 8 plus 13, 21, and done. There we go. That made life easier with that one there too. That's done. Now there is a fillet, 1 mil. Let's just put 0.5. It's not very big, so there we go. So that is the, other than the holes and thread, that is the piece done. All the stuff you need to add on. Now we need to go hole. So this hole here. Okay, so this piece here, we're going to go sketch. Give me a circle. Oh. Hold on, what happened? Exit out. Oh. Why did it do that? That was weird. Sketch. There we go. That was weird. Why did it do that? This that one popped up right there with the quarters there. So that's good. That's going to be 10 mil. It's actually M10. M10. That's going to be 23. Street cut. 23 centimeters. And done. That's down there. It goes past that one where that stops there. Now this piece here is going to sketch, circle. That's going to be 5 mil. 5 mil. And that's going to be no, not boss extrude, sorry. Extrude. Up to neck, which 3 does work, but always let's play it safe. That one's done, beautiful. Now this one here, sketch, circle, touch on the outer border, then you get the center of the circle, which is going to be extrude. Oh, hold on, cancel that. Go back to sketch. Smart dimension help first. That's going to be 8 mil. Now it's going to be extrude cut. Up to next, which is right there. Beautiful, and done. Now that's all the holes done. Now we've got to do the threads. Now, we've got M10 outside, M10 inside, and M12. Let's do the M10s first. Thread. No, we'll M10. Go up. M10, 1, 2, 5. So we want that circle there. If it clicks it. Why won't it click it? So weird. Why is it not clicking? We do that one. Okay, that worked. And that one. Oh, hold on. I'm an idiot. Cancel that. This is the outside ring, not the inside ring. Come on. Clear. For some reason it takes a while to click that for some reason. That one there. And that one there. Why is it not showing thread? Extrude. Trim. Trim. Oh, there we go. And done. There we go. That one's done. Beautiful. Now we've got the inside one, this one. So, let's do thread. Back one. Now it's picking that. Good, good, good. I think because those wrong sides, I just didn't like it. That one there I've got to click this up a couple times. I don't know why. So annoying. Click that one. There's going to be cut thread. Trim and trim. And done. Beautiful. Yep, that's looking good. And then the other one is this one, which is 12. Yeah, 12. Thread. Where are we? 12, 1, 2, 5. That's on the outside. Yes, it is. Oh, I learned a trick the other day. Let me get out of this. Let me see if I can do this trick. Let me now go to, where are we? Normal 2, yep. Let me open sketch. Do a line. From there, it doesn't matter really where, but go past there. This has to go past there. And that's done. Delete that one. Thank you. Delete that one. Delete that one. Alpha press right delete key. I'm pressing backspace. Okay, so that's done. Get out of that one. So that's there. Okay. Now, with this, if we go to thread, if we go to blinds, see what that does. But if we click on that one there, now I'm going to show you. Oh no, that's right, this is outside, so that's fine. But let me just do this first one way, and then that's going to go down more. Oh, probably not 20. 12. Oh, yeah, I'm good with that. 12. Let me just do that one for now. Oh, hold on. Extrude, trim and trim. Okay. See, the thread doesn't fully go up. Now, if we go back in there, let me just zoom. Oops, sorry, wrong way. See, it stops there, but you want to go all the way. So let me go back into thread. Maybe that one. There we go. Yep, back in the thread. Now, this one here. Click on the end of that one. So now we've got this end of this line past there. And it's going to be extrude and it's going to be trimming. This should work. I hopefully got it right. There you go. Then you got thread right to the end. So that's how you can do that. Oh, hold on, before you do, I realised it's gone 13 from the top of there. That's no worries. Where is it? Oh, 12. Let me try. Oh, 15. 17. Probably 16. Yep, 16 looks good. So now we've got thread all the way to the top. And that always helps if you've got a thread from one end to the other. So if this is, say, a cylinder, and you start down there, this is going to be the top end, that's bottom, and that's going to go right at the end. This goes right past it, and that will eliminate that part where I can never get to the end. So I worked it out. Okay, let me just hide that. We don't need that anymore. And that is part 3-C9A, the boiler injector steam valve body done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Comments below, always welcome to hear from guys and girls. Welcome new subscribers, thank you so much. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.